Whether you live in a small apartment or a spacious home, if you're looking to save time and add some smart tools to your kitchen, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you the top 5 Amazon home and kitchen products that you'll probably say, "This is exactly what I needed." You'll find all the product links in the description below, so feel free to check them out after watching. Let's get started. Let's get.
Number 1.
Tired of messy, wrinkled sheets in your closet? Digging for matching bedding wastes time every week. Stacked linens always collapse or get dusty. Fabric organizers sag and wrinkle your sheets. Meet M's Homely plastic bed sheet organizers. Made from sturdy PP Plus Piet, never collapses or deforms. Protects bedding from dust, water, and curious pets. Clear windows on both sides. See everything instantly. No more guessing which box holds your favorite set. Foldable and stackable. Maximize every inch of space. Leather handles make grabbing and moving effortless. Before, cluttered shelves, wrinkled sheets everywhere. After, neat, organized, easy to find bedding every time. Fits queen, king, duvets, pillowcases, even table skirts. Upgrade your linen storage. Practical, stylish, stress-free. Try M's Homely today and love your organized closet.
Number 2.
Tired of tripping over shoes at your entryway? Shoes everywhere. Messy, hard to find, always collecting dust. Digging through piles just to find your favorite pair? Closet chaos, making mornings stressful and time-consuming? Meet the Yahome 8-tier foldable shoe rack. Assemble in just 3 minutes, no tools, no hassle. Holds up to 32 pairs. Sneakers, sandals, even large sizes. Transparent magnetic doors keep shoes visible and dust-free. No more guessing. See every pair at a glance. Before, shoes scattered, space wasted, constant frustration. After, neat rows, easy access, everything protected and organized. Fits anywhere. Entryway, closet, bedroom, or living room. Stable anti-tipping design keeps your family safe. Declutter your home and reclaim your space instantly. Make shoe storage simple. Choose Yahome today.
Number 3.
Still searching for space to iron in your tiny apartment? Tired of bulky boards cluttering your closet or hallway? Dragging out a heavy ironing board just for a quick shirt? Meet the Joseph Pocket Folding Tabletop Ironing Board. Folds in half. Slides neatly behind any door or inside a closet. Integrated iron holder keeps everything organized and within reach. Mounted on your wall or door, always accessible, never in the way. Drip lock technology cover means no more soggy messes or damp surfaces. Sturdy, non-slip legs, stable on any table every time. Generous ironing surface handles shirts, dresses, even trousers easily. Before, struggling with storage, messy water, and wobbly boards. After, quick setup, organized essentials, and smooth, dry ironing. Perfect for busy professionals, small apartments, or fast touch-ups. Upgrade your routine. Make ironing effortless and space smart. Ready for a clutter-free, efficient ironing solution? Try the Joseph Folding Tabletop Ironing Board today.
Number 4.
Tired of bulky laundry baskets taking up space? Struggling to store baskets in small apartments? Traditional baskets are awkward and hard to carry. Meet the Samart 30L Collapsible Laundry Basket. It pops up instantly when you need it. Collapses flat to just 2.7 inches for easy storage. Save over 70% space in closets or under beds. 3 comfort grip handles make carrying effortless. BPA-free and patented for your peace of mind. Perfect for laundry, toys, or trunk organization. Before, cluttered rooms and overflowing baskets. After, tidy, organized spaces with Samart. No more struggling with heavy, rigid baskets. Just pop, load, and fold away when done. Upgrade your home with the Samart Collapsible Basket. Get yours today and reclaim your space.
Number 5.
Tired of messy, cluttered fridge shelves? Meet the ultimate soda can dispenser for your refrigerator. Imagine opening your fridge, every drink perfectly organized. No more digging for your favorite soda or water bottle. Automatic drink propeller keeps cans always at the front. Grab a drink effortlessly, every single time. Adjustable width fits 12 Oz, 16 Oz, even 20 Oz bottles. Holds up to 30 cans or bottles. Maximum storage, minimal space. Assemble in minutes. No tools required, no hassle. Smooth, waterproof surface makes cleaning a breeze. Crafted with food-grade materials and sturdy metal partitions. Built for durability, heavy loads, and daily use. Transform your fridge. Organized, efficient, stress-free access. Perfect for busy families, home organizers, and beverage lovers. Upgrade your fridge today. Enjoy effortless drink organization.
Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.